Okay, here I am. This is Doug from Doug and NIKI in the Doug and NIKI Technology Studio here to talk to you about a cool new drone. Let's take a look at it, see what comes in this box. This is a cool little drone, I think. This is the past, I haven't flown it yet, but my expectations are that it is a cool drone. This is one of this new generation of drones where they're now, you can get a drone that is underneath the 250 gram level at which you have to start registering with the FAA and following those kind of extra flight rules and stuff. Yet it still offers a full 4K image and all tons of features that you expect in larger, heavier drones. So let's take a look at it. I'll tell you what's inside this box here, which, by the way, that's worth the conversation. Hold on, let me get it out of the noisy plastic. This is a very nice box, a very nice carrying case. It's so hard to conceptualize that inside here is a full 4K capable drone with, just I know I told you would say, 2 batteries. It comes with 2 batteries. Wow, look how nicely this is packaged. That is so professional, so cool. Okay, I'm gonna make you wait to see that stuff. Let's start with the less interesting but not less important stuff. Comes with a coolly packaged instruction manual, user manual. I always recommend you read these things. Drone manufacturers get together once a year. They're like, how can we make our drones a little different and confuse the Americans? So read this, that'll straighten that out. They won't be able to take advantage of you. It will all make sense instantly. Okay, here is an extra set of drones, normal USB cable and a little screwdriver in case you needed to replace your blades. Okay, let's see what else we have. Here is the batteries. Both the batteries are here. No wonder it's under 250 grams. That's crazy. Let's see what we got. They are. Look at that. These are actually 7.4 volt, 1800 milliamp hour batteries. That's pretty stout. And this little form is awesome that's that. No wonder it's under the, I am so impressed with this so far. Obviously, I haven't flown it. It could stink. It could crash instantly. This does include 360 degree obstacle avoidance. So this has a little laser here. You pop it out so you can see it. They package it separately just for the transport and that kind of stuff, but this just pops onto the top of it, and this will rotate and watch in whatever direction you're flying. You can see it's got the camera and the little laser in there, and so it will watch whichever direction you're flying. It'll actually turn, you'll see it turn, and it'll allow you to fly more comfortably. You can't always 100% rely on these things and just go ripping at a tree and be surprised when you hit the tree. It's for reasonable things. If it's a little close, you're making a little bit of a mistake, it will stop, alert you, and keep you from having an accident. Just don't use it like, ooh, I got the best airbags in the world, I could crash into anything. Don't do that. Just use your head, as always. Common sense always prevails. Look how nicely this is wrapped. That is so cool. It is okay. Or OiKe. OiKe, I don't want to mispronounce it, but that is cool. Let's see what the remote looks like. Ooh, this is, okay, one of the things I like about this is a unique remote. Actually, this whole drone is unique. You see a lot of these drones, which all seem very similar. This one seems uniquely different. Come on, this is just like a DJI drone, which I'm very used to this function and this form. I like that with the phone down here. Looks like it's nice and big, so even my large phone will go here well. It has all the standard things you expect to see in terms of take a picture, start the video. This is going to adjust the gimbal. It's actually interesting. It's not a wheel. It's like a little lever that you move. Standard controls. You have one touch takeoff. You got return to home. All the normal things. This is very cool. I'm very impressed with this. And it is a GPS drone, so if it loses contact with you, it will know where it took off from and return to you and land. Let's take a look at this teeny little super light drone that shoots 4K. As one might expect, it has 4 brushless motors. The brushless motors are key to you in terms of your drone because it's going to provide a whole bunch of things. Number 1, it's going to be quieter. Number 2, it's going to give you more performance while using less battery, which is part of what's going to give you a nice long flight time. Oh, I like it. Look, the graphics are cool on that thing. That thing is so cool. This thing is wicked. I am so excited about it. I hope this was as good as it looks. I am really digging this K911 drone. This thing is so cool. That really covers everything involving the drone itself. I hope that was helpful. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.